In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. Take this cover and just slide it up. You just pull straight up. Using a 7mm socket, I'm just going to loosen this up. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Using a 8mm socket, loosen up the worm clamp. We'll slide this off, pull it off the throttle body, and just slide it out. I'm just going to put a rag over the throttle body just to prevent any debris from falling in there. Just using a pick, we're going to slide this little lock tab back and push down on the button. Disconnect the connector. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Just grab the coil, give it a wiggle, and slide it out. Take some compressed air and just spray it down the spark plug tube, just in case there's any debris in there. Take a spark plug socket. This happens to be a 5/8. Slide it down in there. And loosen it up. And slide it out. Take the new spark plug, slide it in the spark plug socket. You should be able to hold it like that without it falling out. Slowly lower it down and start it by hand. And we'll torque this to 20 foot-pounds. Just take a little bit of dielectric grease just on the end. And you can slide it back in. Rock it back and forth and push it down. That's good. Put the bolt in. And tighten that down. We'll torque this to 80 inch-pounds. Plug the connector in. Push down the lock. You can do the same with the other ones. I'm going to remove the rag and take the air duct and line it up. Go over the throttle body. Make sure this is lined up. Over the air box. Tighten this worm clamp down. Snug. And the throttle body worm clamp, snug that down. That's good. Connect the connector, lock it down. Take the bolt, slide that in place. Snug it down. And take the cover, line it up. Push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.